It's therefore that the workers of the Central Bank are in protest action against what we call to be unacceptable, what we would term to be unacceptable behavior by the Central Bank in its recruitment and selection approach in the matter that we have been describing over the past 3 to 4 days. For the day so far, we have not heard any change in position from the bank's management. In fact, we only spoke when the union contacted management to find out what the situation was, because yesterday we learned that the situation had been reported to the bank's principals, which we understand to be the governor who is overseas. And so we were awaiting further word from the management of the bank regarding what directive may have been given from the governor as it relates to this situation. The Barbados Workers Union is therefore satisfied that the bank has not yet understood or has not been made to understand the gravity of the situation at hand. And we've recognized that perhaps it's time for things to be ratcheted up somewhat towards a firmer understanding to exactly what is at stake. We have a number of stakeholders, not only at the national level, but internationally, who have been making contact with the Office of the General Secretary to ascertain exactly what the situation is confronting the workers and the bank, what is causing the fracture. And up until now, the Barbados Workers Union has withheld comment in the interest of the national good. But this evening at 5:30, the Executive Council of the Barbados Workers Union meets. A meeting previously planned, which will be the first meeting in our new year in any event, but convenient and timely, I would think opportune, because agenda item number 1 has to be the situation confronting the Central Bank and how the Barbados Workers Union as an organization would wish the wider Barbados Workers Union family to participate in a wider protest.
You've been very diplomatic.
I am trying.
Could you be non-diplomatic and telling us exactly what are the options?
Stay diplomatic.
What are the
options for the next action?
The options for the next action would be options as determined by the Executive Council of the Barbados Workers Union in our meeting this evening.
Such as an escalation of the protest?
I am certain whatever action is determined by the Barbados Workers Union, the media will be duly informed after the meeting. Who wants to have a General Secretary? Nah.
So they'll stay off the job until 11.
It's obvious, cannot return to work because the situation that is being protested against still exists, and until it's corrected, that is until the letter that was issued to the person in question, until that letter which offered temporary employment for 1 year effective September 1st is withdrawn, there will be withdrawal of labor.